So it is...
Hello! What you just did?
Taking the mick out of me. It's 1:15 on Saturday. We've just... Why are you laughing?
Nothing.
Tyler was supposed to be on nights last night, but they let him go at 12 because there's nothing to do. But we ended up going to bed really late, so we didn't get up as early as we wanted to. So we've just got down to South Snowdonia. So we've gone to the spot where we stayed for Tyler's birthday on the May bank holiday. The weather is not great. It's dry. It's rained this morning. It's dry now, but the clouds are just a bit grey and like it's just really cast over. There's no sun. Cast over? Overcast.
Yeah, love.
What are we gonna do?
Go for a walk, go for a swim.
It's a bit cold for us.
Sorry, I'm just doing settings on the camera, so that's why I'm not really
unsociable. Yeah, last time when we come here we went for a walk like up that way by the little lake where we swam, but I think today we're going to go for a walk. You can cross the road and then go up there. It looks like a bit of a hill, and it's like, I think there's a woods up there, but like the trees are like been chopped down. But we're going to go up there and just have a wander. Like, we haven't really got a plan, just a chilled weekend. Yeah, just gonna have a chilled weekend and see where it takes us, aren't we?
Yes, we are. Once I get this done. Dunno.
I'd like to know.
Laugh who fell over then.
Jim likes berries and cream, berries and cream.
Berries and cream!
For a spot. I can hear the train.
Car,
It wasn't, it was the train. Jimmy. Yeah.
I'm too tall. You're too small.
No, I'm not.
You need stilts.
Everything in it.
You know, like little bucket ones you used to have as a kid with the strings.
Everything.
You know what I mean?
Yes.
Choo-choo!
You're silly. You're the silliest of Billies.
My name's Tyler.
It's not. It is now Jim Billy Tyler.
Billy Jimison.
I just had a little half an hour nap and then realised that I forgot to put halloumi on the shopping list. So we've come to Porthmadog, to Tesco. Yeah, not tired anymore. So after we went to the shop, we got back to the spot that we were going to stay. But we decided to move because don't know, it just felt a bit on top. Like when we stayed there for Tyler's birthday, it was dead because it was May bank holiday. So obviously, even though it was bank holiday, like it wasn't that busy. But yeah, there's a few other vans and like people coming and going loads, and we didn't really want to like sit outside and have a fire there, so we've moved to a spot that's like completely off the road, where it's just like a big car park, so we can have a fire here. So that's good. And then might cook outside. Like it's windy, but it's quite warm, so yeah, we'll see.
New light, Amazon special. So we've got 3 levels of brightness, and we have 3 colours. We've got a white light, which is quite bright. It's not that bright on the lowest one.
No, it's just too white.
And then we've got a warmer light, still quite white. And then my favourite, orange. I don't know if it's just looking orange because of the
Wood. No, I think it is orange. Yeah, it's on a magnet and it comes off and it's like a little reading light. Ta-da! We've got an axle so we can spin it round.
Oh, it's a fucking bog. Where are they coming in from?
Don't know. What would you rate it out of 10 for van additions?
What, the light?
Yeah, for new additions
Oh,
to the
10.
van. 10?
Yeah,
10?
Yeah, I prefer this more than the roof bars. Hello. Good morning. It is, I don't know what time it is. About 9:30.
Don't know, I don't know where my phone is. What's that? It's 10 o'clock.
Oh, it's 10 o'clock. I got woken up. I woke up about 4 times in the night with the rain just battering the roof of the van.
It was from like between
About 6 o'clock, I think, wasn't it?
between like 3 and 6. It was just like, it's like absolutely chuck it down, and it'd stop and just be like light raining, and then like a big gust of wind just coming and absolutely chuck it down again.
Yeah. We had an alarm set for
8:30.
I think it was before, 8:30, but it's just chucked it down all morning, so we are
Bit lazy.
Yeah, I think when we checked last night, we had signal. The rain was supposed to stop at 11ish, so we're just gonna have a lazy morning and
Make some breakfast.
lie in bed, and then we need to go to the shop
Yeah.
and get some toothpaste because we realised we don't have any in the van because I binned it last time because we ran out. Hi guys. What are you making?
Bacon butties. No bagels today.
No, we had bread left over from last week, so we didn't use. Not a bad view though. I'm starving.
I've been starving you, haven't I?
Huh?
So I've been starving you.
Yeah. just about to have some food soon, or in the next 5 minutes, and then we are going down towards Blenheim for Stiniog. There's a waterfall down there, which I think is the one we went to go to when we first bought the van. There was literally no windows in or nothing. I think it was the first week we went out on it, weren't it? Yeah. And we got the van stuck in the car park there, so hopefully we don't do that today. The sun's out now as well. It's just a bit windy. It's better than this morning and last night, but we'll see what it's like down there later.
Absolute nightmare trying to park by this waterfall. Tyler had to do like a 7-point turn to get out. I had to get out and guide him. But then we drove down the road and then there's some off parking that is literally like ample room. So we've parked here and then we're going to head up to the waterfall now. So when will you stop crumpling?
Yeah, go on, sorry.
So we just went up Cwmorthin Waterfall, which like up there it's like the old Cwmorthin quarry, and like there was this really weird out of place like garden thing. Like at first I was like, is it a memorial? Or was it someone's garden? But like it was at the top of a waterfall and there was no house, so we were like, it can't be someone's garden. So I just googled it, and someone asked it on like UK Hikers website or something. It's like a forum thing. So basically it's so basically this is what it says. The garden isn't a memorial to anything and was created on the site of the old Cwmorthin Cross slate mill by the late Robin Jones. It was a totally self-funded and created entirely by him with no outside help. He used a 20T tracked excavator and dumper truck for the major works. His wife owns the garden area now, which is sadly in a rather neglected state and a pale shadow of its former glory. In its original completed form, it was unquestionably a work of art. Work to create the garden area was started around 1998 as a hobby from the recently retired Mr Jones, less than 50 metres from the modern slate mill of the then active Cwmorthin Slate Quarry Company. Mr Jones was a former slate worker and many mining remains, rails, belt wheels, etc. were prominently placed in the garden for this reason. When he was still alive and in good health, the garden was extremely well maintained and contained a number of narrow paths which encouraged exploration. One of the major features was a Japanese bridge, which is now in disrepair, over a tranquil pool. So the pool thing was empty, it was just like a moat, wasn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
others being a dolmen feature, various standing stones, and a very strange geometrical feature which wouldn't look out of place in South America. So that was like the weird little pyramid thing. What else does it say? The former slate mill was powered by a pelting wheel water turbine and an underground chamber, and Mr. Jones also restored this to working order. The largest lake on the site was created to power the turbine. And then there's a link which contains three films from 1995 which show him talking about the construction of the garden. It's all in Welsh though. Obviously he's Welsh, and it's in Blaenau Festiniog, so it's proper in the heart of Wales. Everyone speaks Welsh fluently down here. And it's about his restoration of the old turbine, and he also demonstrates the operation of the system, which he had linked to an AC generator which provided electricity on the site. What else does it say? Yeah, that's it. But yeah, I thought it was very cool. I like it. It's so weird because it's like completely out of place. Like it was just like all trees, and we were like, "What's this?"
It was cool to be fair.
Yeah, it was cool. You're not in this, you know. Can't see you.
No, I know. You can see my ear.
I'm not sure what we're doing.
Eating flumps and hitting the open road.
It's 5:15. I really want to go to Hanging Pizzeria in Betsy Coed, but if we go to Betsy, like, basically we can go home from here along the really nice road that we like straight home, or if we go to Betsy Coed, then it means we would then have to go on the A55 home. I just don't know if it's going to be busy, but that's what I really want for my tea, so I don't know what to do. What do you think, Jim?
I don't know. We're going to end up in Hanging Pizza, aren't we? Because you've got it in your head, that's what you want. So. I'll have a look in a minute and see on the map. Cheers.
Yeah, it's a nice focus. There you go. What was that look for?
How could I look that way and went?
You had a good weekend?
Yeah, it's been boss. Shame for my broken sleep this morning. To be fair, I slept most of the night. It's just like
Brain.
shivered then. From about 4 until 6. I think I moved my alarm this morning. I turned it off.
Oh really?
Yeah. Because I thought it was pointless getting, because we were going to get up at the alarm was on for like 8 o'clock, 8:30. I thought, if it's pissing it down, there's no point, is it?
No.
Lazy morning. Got a little coffee. Well, you had a coffee, I didn't. Had a cinnamon
Swirl.
Then been for a little wander, doing what we do best.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how full are you?
Very.
That's not 1 to 10.
10.
Good to end to a good
Walked
weekend.
too fast. I was walking out with a friend.
Is it a good end to a good weekend?
Yeah, it was boss.
Lovely pizza.
I can't really speak, I'm not full to be fair.
Yeah, I am full.
Got a little slice for the road though.
What time? No, it's not. It's for me to for work tomorrow.
I thought it was for me as well.
No. There's not enough for you.
I'm getting cake and boardroom, not giving you any.
Sound. Now we've got hour and a half drive home.
Yeah,
Just over an hour. Drive home, get showered, go to bed because I am in work in the morning.
I'm not. Whee, off till Wednesday. Only in 2 days this week as well.
Oh, fuck off.
I'm only in 2 days next week.
Stop rubbing it in. It's the only reason he stays in his job. Because of the shift.
You're not wrong.
I'm working from home tomorrow, so it's not that bad. Have a little lie in. Chilling.
Don't do anything, working.
Goodbye.